Welcome back to Bow Mature channel. Today we're gonna have some fun. We have the AR-15 out and also the handgun. So we have Watson back on the channel.
Yes.
Also, he have a surprise. He cut his hair.
No more dreads. Different guy.
Yeah. So it's about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, right? So we're gonna have some fun. We'll do some little running around and shooting. So stay tuned for the fun. And I hope you guys enjoy it.
Yep. Tune in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
So what do you think, Watson? What do you think about this drill?
This drill is gonna be great.
Yeah?
Really great.
You haven't shot in a while, so
Yeah.
let's see how you're gonna do. Where you shooting?
Bottom right corner. This is a 5.56 223. It's made in New Hampshire actually. U.S. rifle MK15. This is a 15 model ever made. Gonna play around with it, you know. Pretty nice setup I got here. Nothing special to it.
All right. On the beep.
All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, forgot where my mag is. Bad equipment. Uh-oh. Rusty. Safety on. Running. All right. Oh no. Mag release. Next one in. Next spot. Keep running. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Oh yes. Oh yes.
What do you think, Watson?
Submission. Submission is submission. Submission.
78,
A little bit
52.
shaky. Rusty.
Huh?
Rusty for sure. Rusty for sure.
We'll see. Let's see.
See what happened.
Let's see
down
how
there.
you do.
See what happened down there. Put a lot of rounds down.
You haven't shot in a while, so.
Oh yes. Well,
Where you shooting for?
right here. It's my target.
Oh,
right
nice.
there. Target.
Hey, consider 5.56, consider 9mm.
Flying here.
Nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, so all right. So yeah, Watson the shoot 70 ES52.
Yep.
You know, so everyone know I'm shooting. I build this gun, right? It's an AR lower. Everything's AR position. Arrow lower. Everything's arrow, right, with a suppressor and the Hollison red dot, right? You know what I mean? Mag pull buffer, mag pull stock, mag pull grip. You know what I mean? And we have don't tread on my rights.
All right.
Outside. So, all right. So Watson did pretty good. So I will see. All right, Watson shoots 78.52. Let's see.
Yeah.
53-45.
Yeah.
That was fun. That was fun. That was fun.
All right, let's go look at it. Oh, bleep.
Beep. Ah,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shot off fire.
yeah. So
Shot off fire.
yeah, I guess I hit some rounds. So
Yeah.
not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
Cool.
Cool.
All right.
All right, what do you think your time gonna be on this one?
Well, it's going to be a little bit more quicker now.
All right.
For reload first, see? Then come back at the spot. Drop. Drop. Reload. Boom. Drop.
I think. Listen. I think Watson was thinking about that drill too much.
Huh?
Watson?
Oh, these drop like
I think you were thinking about it too much.
Yeah.
That's it.
So
what's the shoot right here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Here we go. Watson, what do you think, Watson?
One enough. Well, the boy dead still, you know. It's a head, it's a head, you know, brother. Head big side, you know. That we are pussy, that we are tell you. I hate that. I hate that. Action.
Oh,
Now I have the camera turned the right way.
you.
This is
Are
it.
you ready? Let's do this.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir. This is it.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! I think I missed them all though.
Oh, yeah. Hell no. You missed some.
I missed a bunch.
Two
33.
Top. So there's certain things that only happen once in life. Look at this. Release your mag. This is it.
Look at it.
Reload.
So this is a scoop, right? So we're gonna shoot about 50 yards. Watson gonna try and shoot AR-50 with this balloon. Hopefully he can shoot it. Once you shoot this balloon, you're gonna transition to the 9mm and go for this balloon. So let's see if Watson can do it.
One shot, one kill.
What do you think Watson gonna do it?
One shot, one kill, man. Warmed up now.
All right. You know what I think? I think Watson's gonna miss. He's gonna miss all those shots. He's look at him. He's trying to aim it up. Trying to adjust. We're shooting way down there. Still trying to adjust. Watson,
Perfect.
you're gonna miss.
No.
Watson,
Hell no.
You're gonna miss.
Hell no.
Let's see if he can get a good timer, because he's been getting some bad timer. All right, you ready?
shoot. What?
Alright, move to shot, move to the handgun.
Oh.
Run. Move to the handgun now.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna go for no, you're gonna go for the red balloon.
Red
And
balloon.
then-
Right, red balloon. Boom. First shot. What me I shoot say? No, what me I shoot say?
Wait, what happened?
The gun is having manufacturer problem. The way how this is set up is a little bit backwards. That part I need to readjust, send it back to the factory to get a rebuild. You know, this is the problem. These stuff.
Let's see if you shoot a balloon. Let's see. Nothing. And listen, he said it's gonna be easy.
Oh,
Huh?
no.
What happened?
I don't know.
You see, we're happy when you talk so much. Huh? Alright, you see? Once I was talking that hot stuff and he missed all the shot.
I don't know what you're talking about. I hit the target.
And he shoot 55-71. Alright, so let's see if I can do it.
Uh-oh.
And the beep.
That blue balloon is rough. It's done. Down. What? It's an accident. What? I gotta do that again.
Look at me.
I told you it was
You
the
see?
gun.
I'm telling you. One shot, one kill.
That was an
Both
accident.
ball. Look, take a look. Let's take a look.
Let's take a look down
Let's
there.
take a look.
Let's take a look.
You see? You see, guys? Look at that.
Tiny hole.
Dead. Dead.
Miss. Miss. Hey, it's a gun. Manufacturer problems. Yeah. It's not me. Promise.
Oh, wait, what was that?
Time to redeem myself.
Oh. So what happened with that stuff you're talking about that you're not gonna miss?
That was before I fixed this thing, you know?
What?
That was before I fixed this gun, you know? Yeah. I had to tweak some things on
Oh,
there.
look at this. 1980. You shoot 55. Ready?
Alright. Come on, man.
Oh, there you hit. Shoot one more. Shoot one more. Finish. There you go.
Mikä oli valuuden? Koagohan. What may I shoot with this? One more. You know what may I shoot with it?
Huh?
I don't know where
Is it a gun?
Yeah, it's a gun.
Alright. So he hit the blue one with the AR-15 but missed with the 9mm. Alright. Your shot right here, your shot under here.
Yeah, come and start trying to move. I figure this out.
Listen. Once he says he's gonna blow the balloon for me.
Yes.
And he blow, look how small he blow that.
Yes.
He blew it so small. Look at that.
Boom.
Huh? Small one from 75 yards.
Not bad.
Oh, small. You blow it so small for me, huh?
It's not that bad. Decent size balloon. It's not.
All right, so let's see if I'm gonna hit it again. What do you think, Watson?
Boy. That's an accident.
Whew.
Yeah.
Whew. That was 1865.
Yep.
So I beat my first top score.
All right. That's an accident.
Hey, this is so much fun. But listen, we're gonna do one more shooting. We're gonna shoot some steel, and let's see if Watson can hit some steel.
Yep.
All
I
right.
gotta try something.
Let's go. Yeah, so we're gonna shoot some steel and see if Watson can at least hit one.
Tighten up.
You gotta tighten up.
Tighten
He been slacking.
Yeah.
He been shooting the ball.
Yeah. Wrong thing, that's right.
What on the beep here?
When me I shoot off?
Let's just shoot the iron them.
All right.
Watson. Like on my side, Watson.
Huh?
Let me help you.
Now move. Shoot them over there. Over. That's one go over.
Go back over. There you go.
You want to do that now move.
Woo! What do you think, Watson? Hey,
Not bad.
that was fun. Yeah,
Yep.
that's not my, that's not my this is my 9mm, and this Watson's.
Yep.
You get American Eagle. So hey, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate all you guys for watching, and thank you for watching, and we see you on next one. We out.
Yeah, man. And blood.